Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete TikTok videos on TikTok app step by step. First, go to TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the three dots at bottom right. Here you can see different options. To delete the video, swipe right and tap on Delete button. Tap on the Delete button again. Thus, the process of deleting TikTok videos on TikTok app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.